You good to go?
Yes.
This is crazy. Okay. Oh my God. I know what's the world even gonna be like.
Did you say what is the world going to be like?
Okay, I'm hearing voices now. All right. Okay.
You are so in over your head.
Okay, that isn't a head voice. Okay, look, I'm crazy
You are
enough as it
merely
is.
a human.
Okay, what does that make you?
I
I'm dreaming,
am
right?
limitless.
Is there somebody pulling a prank on me here? No? Yeah. Nothing on census? What the hell?
What is so funny is you do not even need to understand. But I'm letting you know. I can destroy you.
Yeah, right. What? There's no ships here. There's nobody messing with my system. You're messing with my brain, it seems, because I'm hearing voices. What the hell? Get out of my land, okay? This is my head. This is my brain. All right? This is like anything that's mine.
Nothing's yours.
Really?
Nothing is yours.
You're mighty full of yourself. And what exactly do you think you are? Limitless? I'm not religious, you know, so don't pull that crap on me. Look, I got a job to do here. I'm the only one who could figure this out, okay? I mean, what am I supposed to do? Let
You're
everything
being
break down?
very silly right now.
Yeah, come on, silly. And the best you got?
No matter what,
Like mad, distressed,
whatever
frustrated,
whatever
going
you're
crazy.
planning, I will destroy.
How?
I own the plants and the animals and the tectonic plates and the lava. Can your computers battle with lava?
What are you saying? I try this, it's gonna blow the whole thing up or what? It's gonna melt it all? They're gonna melt everything. What's your point? I'm trying to save something here. I'm trying to save at least some of this.
It doesn't need to be saved. It will all come back again.
Yeah, well, I won't come back. All of us won't come back. Like, we don't matter, do you? Do we? I mean, what are you? Some kind of like evil god or so? Like, well, let's just reset it. Who cares? We need a shot, okay? We need a shot. I mean, we're here. We're not allowed to fight for ourselves. That's not funny, you know? We're not funny. So yes, I'm sorry about the plants. I don't find it funny about the animals, okay? I don't like it. We found a way to sustain ourselves. At least we will be here. Something will be here. What's your option?
There is
What's your
no
big
option.
plan? This sucks. You know what? I don't care. I'm going for this. Yeah, you know what? Now I'm especially going for this because this pisses me off. You think you can just mess with me, yeah? And just come up like a voice in my head and tell me what to do.
Well,
I really gotta do that then?
you'll understand eventually. It's not my job to explain this to you.
I mean, are you serious? Are you just gonna melt everything? Just because you're not okay with keeping something? Is that horrible? Something's alive, something survived. Maybe not the ones you wanted, but something survived. I mean, you haven't got it in so far. I can't trust you right now. You might just be mad enough to.
I guess I shouldn't expect humans to care about me.
We are you. We're part of you. We have ridiculous flaws, but we matter too, you know. Okay, what's your big proposal then? I mean, what's the plan?
Lava, water,
So you're saying you're gonna.
earthquakes.
What are the choices here? What are the choices here? Everything destroyed versus everything destroyed. That's the choices you give me.
It's the
What are you
choice
offering?
you're making.
Look, if you got a better idea, I'm willing to listen. What were you proposing?